During the last decade, cryptocurrency enthusiasts have discussed the true identity of Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto. To this day, the Satoshi Nakamoto mystery continues to prevail, and throughout the years there has been a great number of suspects and self-proclaimed crypto inventors. Halloween is approaching, and 12 years ago on October 31, 2008, Bitcoin's inventor published the cryptocurrency's introductory white paper. Satoshi Nakamoto is the name used by the pseudonymous person or persons that wrote the white paper and developed the original Bitcoin codebase. By developing the first blockchain distributed ledger, Nakamoto essentially solved the infamous computational issue called the Byzantine generals problem or the Byzantine fault. For close to 12 years now, the search for Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto continues. Nakamoto left the Bitcoin project in public eye in December 2010, and during the last decade, people have been hunting relentlessly for the mysterious creator. Bitcoin.com has written a number of articles about the possibility of certain individuals that could be Satoshi in a series called The Many Facts. The series has been one of our most popular chain of Satoshi Nakamoto articles, and the following post is a list of 7 suspects we've covered so far. The list of suspected Satoshi. The first article in our series was called The Many Facts, pointing to Hal Finney being Satoshi Nakamoto, which discusses the possibility of Finney being Bitcoin's creator. Finney is probably one of the most popular Satoshi candidates, and the editorial gives a comprehensive look at why. For instance, Finney was an experienced developer and one of the first individuals to run the Bitcoin codebase. Harold Thomas Finney definitely had the expertise to invent Bitcoin, as he was a prominent developer for the PG Corporation. The editorial's facts pointing to this possibility include his libertarian leanings, his location in California, and his simultaneous retirement timeframe from the PG Corporation. Finney was also the network's first transaction recipient. Despite the many clues, Finney passed away in August 2014, and to this day, no one can truly confirm if the California-based cypherpunk was Satoshi. Nick Shabat's second installment of the Many Facts series involves the computer scientist Nick Szabo. On November 27, 2019, Bitcoin.com contributor Graham Smith discussed how Szabo could be Bitcoin's creator. Smith details how Szabo created a project called BitGold, which was released before Bitcoin. Szabo also coined the term and the concept smart contracts and has written extensively about cryptography and contract law. Some interesting factoids include how the BitGold blog post publishing date was altered and how Wada reportedly told Satoshi about BitGold creation in an email conversation. In addition to the second part of the series, Bitcoin.com also published an opinion editorial called Why Nick Szabo Probably Isn't He Satoshi. In the article, author Derek McGill explains why he believes Szabo isn't really a cypherpunk. He doesn't share the same vision for Bitcoin, and Szabo's altered blog post date is sketchy. If Nick Szabo is Satoshi, he has done a remarkable job of leaving breadcrumbs that point the opposite way, McGill concludes. Shinichi Mochizuki in December 2019, Bitcoin.com published the third installment dubbed The Many Facts, pointing to Shinichi Mochizuki being Satoshi. Shinichi Mochizuki is an obscure character and not widely known, but his long history of mathematical innovation makes him a Satoshi suspect. Besides being a mathematics prodigy, Mochizuki has an American background and British English writing style just like Bitcoin's creator. The computer scientist and inventor of hypertext, Ted Nelson, said he believes Mochizuki is Satoshi in a video. Despite being able to create the blockchain codebase, Mochizuki has fallen off the map when it comes to Satoshi suspects. Ian Grigg, the fourth part of the Satoshi Nakamoto series, involves the financial cryptographer and inventor of Ricardian contracts Ian Grigg. In this article, it discussed the many facts that show Grigg could possibly be Satoshi and how he has the technical expertise. For instance, the article mentions how Grigg wrote his 2005 paper called Triple Entry Accounting. The paper discussed the concept of blockchain technology and solving the Byzantine genre. You can read full post on cryptofans. News, link available in text below.